Hold on, I just made 5,000 naira on Nairaworkers in less than 20 minutes. You heard me right, I said less than 20 minutes, and I do this every single day. Now that's not too much money, but in a month that's like how much? 150,000, right? You can do the same thing too. Let me show you in less than 2 minutes.
Head over to Google and search for Nairaworkers. Register a new account, then head over to your Gmail to verify your account. I'm not going to register because I have an account with them, so I'll just log in. To start making money, click on available jobs on the menu. Then click on highest paying jobs. Highest paying. Search for jobs that pays you 500 per tax, like this one. Like this one, PalmPay sign up for new users. Click and follow the instruction to do the job. So once you are done, submit the proof and get paid immediately. Do this type of job 10 times and make 5,000 naira daily. Finally, if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.